As you know, Xiaomi 14 series will launch in China in the month of October, and the global launch was expected very soon. But unfortunately, it took some time. But now, finally, the confirmation has come that the 14 series will be launched globally. Both the 14 and 14 Pro are expected to be released outside of China as early as March. Xiaomi India recently posted a teaser on Twitter with reference and collaboration with Leica. Although it did not name Xiaomi 14, it is pretty clear it is the teaser for the company's flagship series. Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro are the most advanced smartphones from Xiaomi to date. They feature state-of-the-art cameras, powerful processors, great design, and a stylish screen. More importantly, they were priced very competitively in China, with the Xiaomi 14 starting as low as $560 and the 14 Pro going for around $700. When coming to the international market, it will be at least $300 more expensive. But really hope they can price the 14 Pro for less than $900. Otherwise, Xiaomi will have a hard time competing with brands outside of China. Xiaomi for India did not give any hint when the phone will be launched, but it is possible that it will be launched for the MWC 2024, which is set to kick off on February 26th.